The scoop on the scoop. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, the scoop. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it in everyday conversations. The scoop is a colloquial expression in English. It primarily refers to the latest information or news about something. Think of it as getting the inside information, or knowing the details that others might not. The phrase might have its origins from the action of scooping something up, like ice cream, implying that you are grabbing or obtaining something of value. Example: Hey, have you heard about the new cafe in town? Give me the scoop. This means, tell me the latest information or details about the new cafe. Now, let's see how to use the scoop in different contexts. 1. Asking for information. 2. What's the scoop on the new employee? Is he adjusting well? 3. Giving information. 4. Let me give you the scoop on this new movie. It's fantastic. 5. Referring to a source of news. 6. I always read that magazine to get the scoop on the latest fashion trends. There are other phrases and idioms in English that convey a similar meaning. Here are a couple of them. 1. Inside information refers to details that are not commonly known to the public, often because they come from a direct source. 2. Example: I have inside information that the company is launching a new product next month. 3. Lowdown, another colloquial term for the essential facts or information. 4. Example: Give me the lowdown on the meeting. Was it productive? And there you have it. Now you know all about the scoop. It's a fun and casual phrase to incorporate into your English vocabulary. We hope you found this video helpful. Remember, language is ever evolving, and the more phrases you know, the richer your conversations will be. Happy learning!